Hey everyone, today I'm really excited to talk about a new mattress from Tuft and Needle. This is a hybrid mattress. It's their first hybrid offering, a spring and foam mattress. Tuft and Needle is one of the first online brands. They're very well known for a stylish, minimalist looking mattress at a great price. So I really want to share with you not only how this thing looks, but how it feels. So let's take a look. The Tuft and Needle Hybrid is going to arrive at your door in their signature white box. Difference with this one is it actually has 4 handles. What that means, it's heavy. The heaviness is due to that spring system. When you get this on the bed and you cut it open, you'll notice that it's really going to take in air quickly. That means it was freshly packed. It's going to spring right to life. It also means you should be able to sleep on it pretty quickly as well. I actually didn't notice all that much off-gassing with this mattress. Now, before we even opened this, our team here at Sleep Sherpa, we were taking bets on what color this would be. Some people thought they would continue with that classic white found in the original. Others thought maybe they would latch on to the black that you can see in the mint mattress. Well, we were all kind of surprised to learn that it was a blue mattress. That's not very common. And had I known that, I probably wouldn't be wearing this shirt today either. That blue cover is actually quite nice. In fact, they weave these white threads throughout the top that catch your eye at different angles. And that's just indicative of the Tuft and Needle brand. They're really on point with the aesthetic. And that stretch knit cover just feels great. Inside that cover, you're gonna find 1 inch of quilted, breathable open cell foam with carbon fiber and graphite. That's really gonna help with that initial cooling. Underneath that cover, the first layer of foam is 2 inches of Tuft and Needle Adaptive Foam with graphite and ceramic gel beads, which continue that cooling. Underneath that, you'll find 1 inch of transition coils. These are little coils that you can squish with your finger. They don't seem like they provide a lot of support, but what they do provide is a lot of contouring and breathability without adding unnecessary foams. Those transition coils sit on a layer of foam. Underneath that, you'll find 6 inches of pocket coils with added edge support. I really like how these coils balance your body out and provide support and pressure relief where you need it the most. All in all, I was really impressed with how Tuft and Needle was able to weave all these materials together to create a one-of-a-kind feel. We know this mattress looks great. They're using some of the best-in-class materials out there. The ultimate question, though, is how does this mattress feel? And in one word, I would say cozy. By that I mean you're gonna nestle right into this thing and fall asleep quickly. That's why I think it's a great pick for side sleepers. You get great pressure relief throughout. Back sleepers are gonna appreciate this too. If you're a stomach sleeper, I think you're gonna want something that is gonna be just a bit firmer, so I'd probably look elsewhere. You're gonna sleep cool. The ceramic gel beads, the graphite foam, all of that's really gonna work hard to keep you cool, and it needs to because you are going to sink into this mattress. But you're still gonna be supported by that coil system. So you're gonna sink in, you're gonna hit that coil system, you're gonna get the support where you need it, and like I said, you're gonna be asleep in no time on this thing. And to be honest, I was actually kind of surprised that Tuft and Needle went a little softer with the hybrid. I was pleasantly surprised by that, because it is hard to make a mattress that feels cozy like this, but also give you the pressure relief, support, and sleep cool all at the same time. The Tuft and Needle Hybrid comes with a 100-night trial. That's a pretty standard trial for most mattress companies. They've had that since the get-go, but I mean, it works. I mean, you get a little over 3 months to try it out in the comfort of your home. Plenty of time to know if it's gonna be right for you. In fact, I would say probably within about 3 or 4 weeks, you're really gonna know how this thing's gonna feel for the long haul. Should you decide to keep it, it's a 10-year warranty. Again, pretty standard warranty. Anything beyond 10 years, you're probably gonna be switching mattresses out anyway, so I don't really know how much that's worth it beyond 10 years. People always ask, does Tuft and Needle have any discount codes? They usually don't. So this mattress retails for just under $1,500. And like I said, they really don't. Ever since I've been reviewing the Tuft and Needle, they never offered any discount codes. Their philosophy is, we want to give you the best price all year round. So you don't have to play games where you have to wait for Black Friday or Christmas for discounts. So you can buy it any time of the year knowing you're gonna get the best price. So you get great time to try it out. You get the best price anytime you want, and the assurance that you're backed by that solid warranty. So in summary, I'm just really impressed with the Tuft and Needle Hybrid. It feels as good as it looks. I know that sounds cheesy, but Tuft and Needle, they really put a lot of thought into this mattress. They put in the next gen materials, and a lot of companies will do that. They'll check that box, but the feel does not match the spec sheet. And with the hybrid here, you get a really intentional feel. They're going after a cozy feel with this mattress. They're not saying, hey, this is for everybody. They want to say, look, if you want this nice cozy mattress that you can nestle into and not feel like you're going to be in a sauna 10 minutes later, this is the mattress for you. So again, great for side sleepers, just great for getting that nice cozy feel that you can crawl into bed and get just a really nice hug. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com and we'll give you the full review.